border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Excessive heat warning in effect until 8 p.m. PDT Thursday. Today, sunny, breezy, and very hot. High is 114 to 119. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour in the morning, decreasing to 5 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, clear and breezy. Lows 85 to 95. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny and very hot. Highs 113 to 118. South wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Not as warm. Lows 80 to 90. Southwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Friday, sunny and hot. Highs 109 to 114. Southwest.
Well, that was today's test. A whole bunch of weather radios activated. For some reason, this Eton right here was on siren mode. I've got to change that, but that's okay. Anyways, a whole bunch of weather radios went off for the test. And this one did not go off, strangely. Wait, was this in the right channel? I'll have to see. Yeah, it was set in the wrong channel, that's why. Anyways, these two radios went off. These two radios went off. This one activated as well. The Jensen over there did not activate. Sanjian actually activated for this test, which is really nice. Neither the WR100 or the WR120 activated for this test, which is very unusual. Or the WR300 for some reason, as per usual. Anyways. Radio Shack 991 and WR400 activated for the test. Both zone guards activated and the Eton weather tracker activated. The WX67 activated and the 12-260 activated. So, yeah, that's basically it for today's test. Stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content. So it turns out I forgot to change this one, and this one back to channel 1, where KIG78 is. And also, not only did the Zone Guard Plus go off for a 6 hour, but also the 991 went off for a 6 hour, which I find quite crazy. But yeah, that's it.